gut is a complex world. It is a high-stakes ecosystem where everything you consume gets processed. Lately, there is a massive obsession with the idea that we are all carrying around hidden hitchhikers. These are the uninvited guests we call parasites. Social media is flooded with people claiming they have found the ultimate solution in a tiny glass bottle. One name that keeps surfacing is Alora. This liquid herbal supplement uses a blend of black walnut and wormwood. The marketing team says this formula is liposomal. That is a fancy way of saying the ingredients are wrapped in tiny fat bubbles. They claim this helps your body absorb the herbs better. You just take 2 droppers a day. The promises are huge. They say it flushes out invaders. They claim it clears up brain fog. They even say it helps you sleep better. It sounds like a total life overhaul in a single dropper. But we need to take a step back. We need to look at the actual evidence. The product page is filled with glowing testimonials. It has a near-perfect rating. There are over 1,400 reviews. That looks impressive on a screen. However, customer stories are not the same as clinical proof. A 5-star review does not equal a lab test. The brand mentions benefits for your immune system. They talk about gut health. Yet there is a lack of specific clinical data for this exact formula. They have not shown peer-reviewed studies. They have not proven it can diagnose or eliminate a real infection. Using a supplement like this is a gamble if you actually have a medical issue. A real parasitic infection is a serious matter. It requires professional testing. It needs a doctor's oversight. You cannot just swap out a medical diagnosis for a bottle of herbal drops. The ingredients themselves are interesting. Black walnut and wormwood have been used in traditional folk medicine for a long time. People have used garlic and oregano for centuries. They also included pod d'arco and pumpkin seeds. These are all common in the world of natural wellness. They might have some general benefits, but claiming they can flush out a specific infection is a bold leap. Marketing language is designed to make you feel like you are taking control. It taps into that desire for a clean slate. We all want more energy. We all want to feel less bloated. But we should be cautious. The formula lacks complete, transparent ingredient information in some areas. Without seeing the exact concentrations, it is hard to know what you are really getting. It is an organized and clearly presented product. It looks professional. But appearances can be deceiving in the supplement world. Always remember that the regulatory agencies do not treat these products like medicine. The claims have not been evaluated for safety or effectiveness. If you feel sluggish or have digestive issues, talk to a professional first. Do not rely on a viral trend. A healthy skepticism is your best tool here. The world of parasite cleanses is full of big promises. Most of them are built on marketing rather than hard science. Keep your eyes open. Do not let a high rating distract you from the lack of data. Your health is worth more than a quick fix in a bottle. Do your research. Ask questions. Stay informed.